Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. Today I am going to make dal in Naga style. Many of you have asked me to make dal in a Naga style, so today I am going to make it. Let me show you the ingredients. I am using this dal, masoor dal. When I was kid, I used to call it just lal wala dal. This is bamboo shoot. I am using this dhania, coriander leaves. This is turmeric, local turmeric from Nagaland, garlic, tomato, and dry red chilies. First, I'm going to pour the water. I'm adding salt. We'll let the water boil. The water is boiled properly, so I'm adding the dal now. And since I'm using a vessel, not using pressure cooker, it may take some time for the dal to cook. Dal is half cooked, so I'm adding this chili. Tomatoes also. You can either use tomato or bamboo shoot, but I'm going to use both. So just one tomato. And we'll be adding this local turmeric. It's optional. If you have, you can add it. If you don't have, you can avoid this. I got this from Dimapur. We'll let the tomato and chili cook properly. It will take some more time to cook the tomato and chili. After that, we will add the bamboo shoot. Everything is cooked properly, so I'm adding the bamboo shoot. After adding the bamboo shoot, don't stir it, just let it boil by itself. We'll boil like 2-3 minutes. It's been more than 2 minutes. Now I will add this garlic. With this garlic, then like just for a minute we will boil. And at last we'll add this coriander leaves. If you don't like eating coriander leaves, you can avoid this. It's done now. So guys, let's see the taste of this dal. Today I've made this easy recipe of dal in Naga style. Hope you like it, and try it at home and let me know how it was. Actually, like it's been like many years I have not made this dal. I almost forgot it. And today I called my parents and I asked how to make it. So really, it's a very easy and simple recipe. It's pretty good. I like this dal. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So bye, see you in the next video.